So now we have the discriminant. The discriminant essentially is a quantity under the radical in a quadratic equation. For example, b squared minus 4ac. In our case, that would be something like this. This would be the discriminant. And we can essentially look at that to determine the number of solutions and the type of solutions. So if your discriminant is positive and it's also a perfect square, you're going to have two solutions and it's going to be a rational solution. If it's positive and it's not a perfect square, you'll still have two solutions, but it will be irrational. And then our last two cases, if it's 0, you'll have one and it'll be a double solution and it'll be rational. And then if your discriminant is negative, you'll have two solutions and they'll be non-real complex solutions. So using the discriminant, let's look at some examples here. So we have 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. If we have the b squared minus 4ac, which is our discriminant, plugging this in, what we'll have is negative 12 squared, because that's coming from our b, minus 4 times a, which is 4, and then c is 9. That gives us 144 minus 144, which is equal to 0. And if we said that it was 0, remember we'll have one double solution or one distinct rational solution. Example 2, b squared minus 4ac. So our b squared is just going to be 1 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 3, and then finally times positive 5 here. If we added that over to the other side, so this will give us 1 minus 60, or negative 59. And looking at negative 59, it's a negative number, so we're going to have two solutions, but they're going to be non-real complex. Last example here, 2x squared and then equal to 6x plus 7. If we go ahead and move everything over, we are left with, let's see, we'll have b squared minus 4ac. So negative 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 7. That will give us 36 plus, because it's negative 7 times negative 4, 56, or 92. 92 is positive, and in this case, it is not a perfect square, so we have two solutions, but they're going to be irrational.